Climate power used to be defined by emissions, by GDP, by who polluted the most. But in the implementation era, power is shifting. It is no longer about who promises the most, but who can prove the most. In this episode, we break down the new climate power map. The countries, alliances, companies, and communities that gain influence as finance becomes conditional and verification becomes mandatory. First, the measurement states. These are countries that built Earth observation, monitoring, and reporting systems early. They move from climate recipients to climate lenders. Their advantage is simple. Money moves fastest where evidence already exists. Second, the adaptation nations. These are countries that face the highest risk, but also build the highest fidelity data environments. In the new power map, vulnerability becomes leverage when it is measured, reported, and verified. Third, Indigenous sovereign data holders. For the first time, Indigenous systems are recognized as evidence streams that unlock finance and set conditions for investment. Their influence rises precisely because their knowledge can now be measured, mapped, and incorporated into global finance systems. Fourth, the technology providers. The companies that deliver sensors, satellites, hydro models, soil carbon AI, methane imaging, and coast risk analytics are no longer tech vendors. They become gatekeepers of the implementation era. Fifth, the verification engines. These are the platforms and regulators that authenticate claims and define what counts as real. In the new climate economy, power belongs to the systems that say yes and the systems that say no. And sixth, the capital allocators. Public development banks, sovereign wealth funds, ESG funds, and transition finance mechanisms. But their power is conditional. They can only deploy capital where measurement exists. This is the new climate power map. Measurement, arrow trust, arrow finance, arrow influence. The countries that can prove what happened gain power. The countries that cannot lose it. This is episode 4. This is the DPI, our World Report. And this is the new climate power map.